Okay, so here's how you get into the fifth grade promotional exercise. You need to click this link and it will bring you to the website for the go-to meeting. And you have the choice of how do you want to meet today. You can either join on the web or download the app. If you have a school computer, you don't want to download the app because it won't let you. So you want to hit join on the web. And if you are able to join on your computer, I'd recommend using that. Or if your internet is down or you can't access your computer, you can join on phone, but I'm going to go ahead and hit computer. Oh, and hit save and continue. It might ask you to use your microphone. You can hit allow. And I wouldn't even mess with these settings because it'll usually put your mic and speakers how they need to be. And then once you see this screen that says fifth grade virtual promotional ceremony, waiting for Parker Davina S to start the meeting, then you're there. So once you're here, don't click anything else, just wait, and around 9:30 it will come on. So if you see this screen, you are all done.